In recent time, Google decided to take down Pinduoduo App from Google Play Store. Wow, which means that everybody or anyone that procure ship from China using Pinduoduo App, you will no longer have access to Pinduoduo App again. Even if you have your WeChat, you will not be able to have access to Pinduoduo, because as a result of taking down the app from Google Play Store, it's going to internally affect your phone security, whereby Google will disable Pinduoduo App from your Android phone. So in this regard, I have made a simple solution to this problem. You don't need to stress yourself by downloading another app or getting a new app from APK, stuff like that. This is because even if you install a new app, even if you install new Pinduoduo app, you're still going to have issue. Google is still going to disable the app. But there is a permanent solution to this. I want to believe that everybody that use Pinduoduo app to purchase from China must have WeChat account. That is very sure. So if you have a WeChat account, this is the right solution for you. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see the simple magic by which you can use to continue access your Pinduoduo app and continue to do your procurement and shipping from China using the great app called Pinduoduo. But before I dive into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to have a business consultation with me about China importation and some other country importation, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So let's dive into the tutorial and see the simple trick that you guys can use to continue access your Pinduoduo app without any stress. So what you need to do is to make sure you open up your WeChat. So when you open up your WeChat, you have to tap on me right here, your profile icon. So tap on that. So after you click on your profile icon, it takes you right here. Make sure you click on services. Click on services. Then it takes you right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down. You can see your Pinduoduo app right here. Buy Together is also known as Pinduoduo app. All you have to do here is to click on Buy Together. So you click on that, it's going to load up and take you in straight to your Pinduoduo app. So you can see it started to connect Pinduoduo. So you can see it right here, it's connecting, and within a few minutes it's going to load up, and I'm going to have a full access back to my Pinduoduo app without any ban, without any stress, without any fear. So I continue to use my Pinduoduo app. So you can see that the app has fully loaded up. So now let me just visit my profile so you guys can see. So if I tap on here, it takes me straight up to my profile, and then you see products that were on transit and the products that have just you can see it right here. So you can see the products on transit right here. So this is how you can, this is just a simple trick on how you can continue access your Pinduoduo app without getting fear of maybe Google is going to take it down again or whatsoever and things like that. So this is just the simple trick I have for you guys. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you want to have a business consultation, one-on-one business consultation with me, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.